Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Vantage. First, log into your Vantage account and make sure that your account is verified through the ID verification process. And here is the details of your account. Remember your account number from here. Now click on this withdrawal button, and the first step is request withdrawal. From here, select your account type, and then you just need to enter the amount that you want to deposit from Vantage. Make sure it's bigger than zero, but my account has a zero balance right now. That's why I can continue for the next process, but I'm going to describe you the whole process. The second process will be the select withdrawal method, and from here you just need to select a payment method that you are comfortable with. You will get the payment method like credit card or debit card. You can get your money through your credit card or debit card, then Apple Pay, then Google Pay, and some others payment methods that you can use for the withdrawal. You can also get some cryptocurrency options to withdraw your money, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and two others cryptocurrency available there. For example, if you are using credit card or debit card, you just need to enter your credit card or debit card number, expiry date, or CVV number. And if you are using Apple Pay or Google Pay, then you just need to enter the Apple Pay or Google Pay credentials and give the permission from your Apple Pay or Google Pay for this withdrawal process. Then it will take 2 to 5 business days to get the funds to your account from Vantage. That's how you can withdraw money from your Vantage account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.